Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. My goal, make you lots of money, show you what I do with my money and what I'm doing with my trades. Our goal is to trade, make small amounts of money into massive amounts of money. It's to protect our capital. Once we make those large amounts of money, to protect it like we did November 11th when we sold everything, keeping it mainly in cash, to then start buying the bottom, which I think is now in cryptocurrencies and stocks. I split both. I'm showing you what I do, my thoughts, my trades, my ideas, so I can hopefully inspire you. I'm showing you 20 years of my experience. I was trading since I'm 14 years old. I'm now 35, so around 15, how many years is that? 21 years of trading experience, technical analysis, and I'm showing you what I do from my phone. All of this is done from my phone. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people now, which is epic. On Twitter, we also have 37,000 people. In the Telegram group, in the last 4 days, it's already at 1,500 people in that Telegram Trade Alerts group, which is epic. The links are all in the description. Smash up, thumbs up button. We're going to look at Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my thoughts and trades on Bitcoin, my thoughts and trades on Dogecoin, which our trade is up to 1,000%. $2,000 from $190. So we turned $190 into $2,200 now. I'm going to show you all of those as well. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, which I don't view open. I'm opening it. In the market, we've got a bit of a pump on altcoins. Dogecoin is pumping. It's very close to our take profit. So lucky, I'm going to analyze this video, the trade right now, and see if we should be taking profit. Luna is up 12% today, which is interesting. AVAX is up 7%. Tron is up 7%. Meta, this Facebook stock, I'm buying a lot of that, up 7% last trading day. Doge is up 6.8%. We have an active trade on Doge. CRV up 5%. I opened a trade in the trading group on CRV just before, which is beautiful. Let's look at Bitcoin first, and then we'll go into the alt. So we're looking at Bitcoin, 21,425. Now, unfortunately, we didn't close. So what you're looking at here is Bitcoin moving over the last few years. You're looking back to 2014 on the price of Bitcoin moving. You're seeing on tradingview.com, I have the crypto mastercourse, which teaches you all this. We saw Bitcoin go up to 18,000 in 2018, down to 3,000, all the way up to 64,000, back down 29,000, back to 69,000, now crashing down to where we are right now, hit a low of 17,000. Now, unfortunately, we didn't close that last week's candle back above the simple moving average. Now, that's interesting because every single time Bitcoin has come below this 200 moving weekly average, like in March 2020, we came below and closed the week back above it, or in the crash in 2019, closed the weekly back above it, or the crash in 2014, we closed back above it, or the crash in 2018, we closed back above it. You can see we always held this colorful line, but we actually broke this line. Now it's trying to get back above it, which is beautiful. Stochastic on the weekly is oversold. When the stochastic is below, as I teach you in the crypto masterclass, below the dotted lines, that's time to be buying. When it's above the dotted lines, that's time to be selling. If you want to keep it very simple and look at very simple TA, that's the time. So down here, below the dotted lines, time to be buying. Up here, above the dotted lines, like it was in November 2021, March 11th of November when I called the top, time to be selling. And now on the stochastic, it's time to be buying. On the daily, stochastic is heading up very strongly. We've got more to run. On the squeeze mob is going towards the green side. It's just getting started on this run. RSI is also turning up. It's looking very bullish on the daily for Bitcoin. On the 4-hourly, also heading up. The stochastic reset, the RSI reset, very bullish for Bitcoin right now. Squeeze mob is going to the green side. This looks really good. We have buying volume coming in. We're also above on the 4-hourly. We're above the EMA ribbons, which is very beautiful. The EMA ribbons are holding and we're back above them. They tried to turn down. We're having a pump in Bitcoin. If you followed yesterday's video, we're massively in the profits now on Bitcoin. It actually played out perfectly if you followed yesterday's video, because I talked about Bitcoin coming down, starting the trade, which had opened here at 21,000. It then came lower. It came to 20,800, but it didn't hit our stop loss. The way you read my trades is very simple. I'm going to show you. When I'm long, the stop is this shorter bottom area. What that means is it will automatically close my trade. I set my trades before we start. It automatically closes the trade at 20,800. I've got a step-by-step tutorial. The link is in the description, which shows you how to do this. The trade opens. Make sure you watch that video. It's like how to turn $100 into millions of dollars. The trade opens at this point 21,000, and then the take profit is up here at 21,900. So that trade is active and it's now currently in the profits, which is beautiful if you followed that trade from the previous video. On the 4-hourly, the stochastic has more to go. We've got more to run up on this, which is beautiful. The target will be the upper end of this resistance, so the target will be 21,900. This trade is still in effect. On the hourly, we're slightly overbought, so we can have a bit of a correction here, but it looks bullish on the 4-hourly and the daily. On the 15 minutes, we're also overbought. It's trying to reset right now, but again, it is looking very bullish, but we are on this resistance line now. I'm also seeing a W formation on the 15 minutes. This is looking bullish for a big movement to that 21,000, almost 22,000, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to show you, if you haven't opened this trade, I'm going to show you my trades and where I would open the trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video of this description, I'm doing all my trading on Bybit. They partnered with me. You use this link down below, you get a $4,800 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. Without that link, you get a $400 bonus. Also, the Bitcoin trading competition for $8 million World Series of Trading. I'm the squad leader. If you join this link, you sign up to my Bybit link, you join my trading group, and our goal is to win that $8 million prize. Also, I've got a new Telegram where I share all my trades. It's got more than 1,400 or 500 people in 4 days, and the Crypto Mastercourse teaches you all of this. All the links are in the description of this video. My trades on Bybit are pumping right now. In my Bybit account, I've got $194,000 in here. I've got a Bitcoin trade that's open right now. It's up $6,200 in the profits. It's a $101,000 trade. It's up 55%. I used $11,000 of margin to make now plus $6,264 US dollars. But it's a $101,000 trade. It's $11,000 I used of my own money times 9x leverage. So it's now a $101,000 trade, which is up from when I opened it, and now it's $6,200 in the profits, which is beautiful. I've also got this trade on Ethereum open, which is up 250%. I used for this Ethereum trade, I used margin of $197. Now it's up $496, 251%. So now that $197 has turned into $600, which is beautiful. And the Doge trade is epic. Look at my Doge trade, everyone. It's up 1,039%. 1,039%. I turned, on this Doge trade, I turned $195 into now $2,019. So that $195 became now $2,200, up 1,000%. And I share all these trades in my Telegram group, James Crypto Guru Alerts. There's now 1,500 people in here after a few days, and I'm sharing all my trades in here. I've also shared another trade earlier today, a Bitcoin trade. I shared a CRV trade in here today. So I'm sharing a lot of trades in here. Why? Because I want to see, this is the CRV trade that I shared, because I want everyone to join my Bybit link, join my team, and my goal is to win that $8 million prize pool, which is beautiful. So those are the trades I have open right now. My Bitcoin trade is up $6,242 in the profits, 54%, 6,242. It's changing very quickly. My Ethereum trade is up $494. My Dogecoin trade, which is close to the take profits. The take profit is at 8 cents, and we're coming at 7 cents now. So it's very close. It's up $2,019 in profits, 1,000%. I'm going to see if I'm going to extend that trade. So if you haven't opened trades yet, where I would open trades on Bitcoin, I would open a new trade. I would open the trade just below the weekly support. Actually, I would open the trade here. I'll set a trade open for Bitcoin. I'll put the stop loss below the daily, and I'll put the take profit at the top of the channel. Yeah, that's where I would set the trade. So the trade would open at 21,281. The stop loss would open at 20,974, and the take profit will open at 22,000. So that means I teach you all of this in I've got a tutorial video in the description. You can go down to this tutorial video, or taking the Crypto Mastercourse in the description, trading Bitcoin and altcoin live tutorial, and I show you exactly how to do this. It's a free video on YouTube. So again, the take profit is this top line here. So the trade will automatically take profit at 22,000. The trade will open at 21,281, and the stop loss will trigger and close the trade at 20,900. And that's how you would set it here. So for example, I would open order price on Bitcoin, $1,000 trade. For example, opening the price at the trade where I expect the trade to open at 21,281. The stop loss at 20,900. So 21,281. I would open $1,000 trade, so it would only open if it dropped around $200. The take profit would be at 22,000, and the stop loss would be the take profit was at 22,000, stop loss at 20,970. So I'd risk $131 to make $304. Then I would confirm this trade. I would open long, and this trade would open on Bitcoin. That's the trade that I would open right now on Bitcoin. I'm going to share that in the Telegram group. Again, I share all the trades in the Telegram group, so I'll share them all in here. And it's a free Telegram group. The link to the Telegram is in the description of this video. You can see all the links. So join Bitcoin Bybit. Make sure you trade using this link. Sign up, deposit money, and start trading. Join our competition. Watch the tutorial video if you haven't seen how to trade. Take the Crypto Mastercourse. All the links down below, and the live Telegram. And then with like these trades here with $194, I've made $1,970 on Doge, 1,000% profit. With $190 on Ethereum, I made $493 of profits, all from my phone. With Bitcoin, I made $6,000 in the profits. That's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. Those are my targets. This is the trade that I would open, which I'll also share in the Telegram. Now I'm going to show Doge, what I would do with Doge. Should we extend that take profit on Doge? Or should we keep that take profit? So now we're going to look at Doge, which is up, almost hitting up 1,000% on that trade. Where else can you get 1,000% on your money in a few days? That's the interesting question. What else could you invest in where you get 1,000%? 1,000 is 10 times. So if you put in $1,000, you now have $10,000. I put in $200, so now I have $2,000. Where else can you get 1,000% in a few days? That's the question. So on the daily, Dogecoin is overbought. On the weekly, the stochastic is heading up. On the hourly, we're also overbought, turning down. So we're going to have we're at a resistance point for Doge. But it does look bullish here. It made this cup and handle as well. This was a cup and handle formation that we took the trade, and that's why we got that 81-cent target. We are at a resistance point, but on the volume is picking up. On the 4 hourly, we're overbought. On the daily, we're overbought. So we are slightly overbought here. It's coming into the EMA movements, but it's trying to push up quite strong. Before the big drop on Bitcoin, Doge was sitting at around 15 cents. It even came to around 12 cents. So we've made a lot of a recovery. We've already gone up quite a bit. We moved from 4 cents when we opened the trade to now 7 cents. It's almost gone up 100% since then. We did 39 leverage, so we got a lot of profits from that. I would say the monthly resistance is the target, 85 cents. And then most likely it'll do something like this, in my opinion. So I would actually take profits at 85 cents, but then it's going to make a big movement, Doge. If this plays out like I think it's going to play out, Doge would then move this distance. This distance. So we could have a huge movement for Doge that will take us all the way to 12 cents. So what we could do is we could take profit on this Doge trade, and then I would take profit on this Doge trade at at this resistance, 84 cents, take profit there, and then once it rebounds off, open the trade again here at around 77 cents, and then going to target that 12 cents, which is massive. If it goes towards 12 cents Doge, let's check my trade that's currently $2,000 in the profits. If it goes to 12 cents, will be $7,000 in the profits. $7,000 profit from $100 risk. So that's not bad to actually. But I'll set the take profit to 84, and then we'll open more trade. So 84 cents, I'll make $2,827 from $195. Confirm that trade is now set, and then we will update. We'll then see if we sell it at that point. It will automatically close at 84, but then we'll see if we buy it back again to go back to that 12 cents. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and I'm going to show you my trades, what I'm doing with my money. Right now I'm buying a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of BNB. I haven't been buying BNB, but that was a good buy. Ethereum, I bought a few hundred thousand. Bitcoin, I bought a few hundred thousand. I've got those trades open. I'm actively trading here. I think Bitcoin could be bottomed out here, but if it does go to 17K or 13K, I'll buy a lot more of it. And stocks, I'm buying Facebook. You can follow all the live trades. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.